Hey, this is Horner, and this is the concept builder instructions for balanced and unbalanced forces. There are several groups that they're going to have here, and so we're going to look at each of the different types. This is for groups 1 through 4, sorry. So here we have an object that is moving towards the left. So we know that the object, and let's go ahead and make an arrow here, this is moving towards the left, so that's our positive. We have all these forces here, and the length of the arrow represents the strength of the force. Is this object speeding up, slowing down, or moving at a constant speed? This one is definitely moving at a constant speed. And why? It's because we have balanced forces. For the next one, this one says the motion of a rightward moving object, so I know that this object is going to the right, is represented by the position time graph, okay? So positive is to the right. Is this object speeding up, slowing down, or moving at a constant speed? So we know that this thing has got to be moving at a constant velocity because the slope of this line is equal to the velocity, and it is positive. And since the velocity is positive but constant, it is moving to the right at a constant speed. So that is your answer. It is moving at a constant speed. And if it's moving at a constant speed, we have to have balanced forces. Nothing's making it accelerate. For the next one, we have a motion of a rightward moving object. Here's the dot diagram. Notice that it is moving also at a constant velocity. So is it speeding up, slowing down? Nope, it's moving at a constant speed, which means that the forces are balanced. Next one, this one, we have a constant velocity. So because it's got a constant velocity, it is moving at a constant speed, which means we have balanced forces again. So you're starting to get the drift that these are pretty much the same. This one, see that for every second, I'm picking up 10 meters per second. And then there's 20 and 30, 40. So this one's also moving at a constant speed, and it has balanced forces. And then finally, our last one, this one, we have velocity time data. Notice that the velocity is increasing. And because it's increasing, this object is speeding up, and it is experiencing unbalanced forces. Since it is accelerating, we know that you've got to have unbalanced forces. So force is equal to ma, and because it's accelerating, the sum of these forces has got to be unbalanced for that to happen. And that is how you do the balanced versus unbalanced forces.